Hello and welcome once again to the Youp Organic Garden. I wanted to do an update this winter to see how well the putting ventilated soffits and peak did, and we ended up having to put cable up there to keep the ice melted. We couldn't get enough insulation between the wall and the roof where we wanted it to vent, so we ended up putting this on. We had winter started early in November and then melted off in December. We were able to get this cable on there. You can see the icicles hanging down, keeping them melted pretty good. We have started to get just a little bit of ice formage in the soffits. I don't know if you can see it up under here. So that means our water's backing up in there, so we got to try and keep this open so we can keep the water away. And then because of all the dripping and the ice, it's created all these big piles here of ice that are frozen. We've been down to as cold as 37, and this week as cold as 26 below zero, so things freeze up pretty quick when it's at, but that tells you how much heat we're losing up in our roof. This one here, we put some on, and this one, it's vented a little bit more and was able, because the eaves are wider, get a little more insulation up under the roof, and not quite as bad. We got a little bit of ice buildup, but with the cable in there, it's kept it off pretty good. Now we'll go over here to the other side of the house and show you what this one's like. We didn't get a cable put on this. We couldn't afford it at the time, so only got the one on. But this one end has stayed really good. It's hardly had any ice buildup at all. And once again, we had more vented soffits, as you can see under there. A lot more square footage. And I was also able to get more insulation up above the venting there, so was able to improve it. So this roof's pretty good. That's what a roof should look like in the end of winter. And this roof here, we're gonna have to put a cable on for next year up this side, because here once again we got limited airflow, I think, and we just can't get enough insulation between the wall, upper wall, and where the vents go up. So that's a project for next year. We'll get the cables put on and have to run 2 of them. So there you go. There's an update on our ice dam problems we've been trying to and dealing with for a couple years here. And I thank you for watching, and we'll see you here next time on the Youp Organic Garden.